All right, welcome. You think you've got some good general knowledge? Well, get ready for our rapid fire challenge. We're going to hit you with some of the most surprising facts you'll probably hear all day. You ready for this? Let's jump right in.
Okay, let's start with a really cool one about you, about your own body. There's a part of you that has absolutely no blood supply. I mean, think about that for a second. Everything in our bodies needs oxygen, right? And the blood is like the delivery service. So, how could any part possibly survive without it?
And the answer is the cornea of your eye. Wild, right? But the how is what's really amazing. It doesn't need blood vessels because it gets its oxygen directly from the air. Every single time you open your eyes, you're literally letting your corneas breathe. It's just this incredible, super efficient piece of biological design. So that right there is a perfect example of how the world is just full of these hidden, surprising answers, things we never even think to question. Let's keep that curiosity fired up and uncover a few more, shall we?
All right, first up, we're diving into our world of extremes. We're talking the biggest, the most, the firsts, basically all the record holders, from the very elements that make up our planet to the food we eat.
Okay, let's go really big. What do you think is the single most abundant substance by sheer quantity on our entire planet? And I don't just mean on the surface, I mean the whole thing. What's your first guess? Water, maybe? Nitrogen? You might be surprised to hear it's oxygen. Yeah, it's not just floating around in the air, it's a massive part of the Earth's crust, it's in our oceans, it is, quite literally, everywhere. Okay, so from elements to something a little more edible. When I say world's largest fruit, what pops into your head? You're probably picturing a giant watermelon, right? Or maybe one of those prize-winning pumpkins? Well, that would be the jackfruit. These things are unbelievable. They can get absolutely enormous, sometimes weighing over 100 pounds. It just goes to show you, the plant world is way weirder and cooler than we give it credit for. So we've gone from one massive fruit to a crop that feeds billions of people, wheat. It's a staple all over the globe. So when you think of agricultural powerhouses, you gotta think of India. Where do you think they rank in terms of producing it? They are number 2, second in the entire world. I mean, that is just an incredible amount of food. It really puts into perspective the massive scale of agriculture it takes to feed everyone on this planet. Right behind China, India is absolutely crucial to the world's food supply. Okay, let's switch things up. We've done elements, we've done plants. Now it's time for the animal kingdom. And believe me, the animal kingdom is weirder than you think. There is some seriously strange stuff out there. Now, this next one is one of my favorites because it kind of flips our whole perspective. We humans like to think of ourselves